Right then, you've got your machine, your gear, and the engine's rumbling. Your eyes drop to the dashboard, that little screen you stare at for hours. Most of us just check speed and fuel, ignoring the rest. But that display is your bike's command center, packed with info and hidden features. It's not just a speedometer, it's your bike's way of talking to you. Think of it as a clever co-pilot, waiting for you to ask the right questions. Manufacturers cram in tech, some of it brilliant, designed by riders for riders. There are secret menus and functions that can save you time, money, and stress. So let's dig in, poke those buttons, and unlock your bike's full potential. It's time to have a real conversation with your co-pilot. When you turn the key, your bike's dashboard comes alive. This isn't just a fancy light show, it's your bike's way of communicating vital information about its health and status. Every light and symbol has a purpose, and understanding them can make a big difference in your riding experience. Most lights will turn off after a few seconds, but if one stays on or appears while you're riding, don't ignore it. That's your bike's way of telling you something needs attention. Maybe it's a minor issue, or maybe it's urgent. If you see a red light or an oil warning, stop and check immediately. Engine or amber lights mean you should get your bike checked soon. They're not just suggestions, they're early warnings. Green and blue lights are informational. Neutral, high beams, turn signals. Learn to distinguish these from real warnings so you know when to act. Your dashboard is your bike's language. Pay attention, and you'll ride safer, smarter, and with more confidence every time you hit the road. Let's talk about the general alert, the triangle symbol on your dashboard. When it lights up, your bike is telling you something needs attention. That triangle with an exclamation mark is a universal sign. Check me. It means something important is happening. The triangle doesn't tell you the exact problem. Look for other symbols or messages nearby for more details. Usually, it appears with another icon, like temperature, ABS, or oil. These help you pinpoint the issue. This system keeps things simple, highlighting what matters so you can ride safely. The triangle isn't there to scare you. It's a gentle reminder to check your bike, not a reason to panic. When you see it, stay calm. Scan your dashboard for more clues and assess the situation. Each symbol tells a story: oil, temperature, or service. Investigate to know what your bike needs. Understanding this alert turns worry into action. You'll respond confidently and keep your ride safe. Remember, the triangle is your friend. Treat it as a guide, and you'll always be ready on the road. Let's talk trip meters, your bike's resettable odometers. Most bikes have Trip A and Trip B, toggled with a button on the dash or handlebar. Trip A is perfect for tracking fuel range. Reset it every fill-up for real-world accuracy. Trip B, get creative. Use it for multi-day tours, oil change intervals, or navigation. No more guessing when your next service is due. Some bikes even hide extra features, like a stopwatch or service reminder, behind button combos. Check your manual, you might be surprised. These meters are more than simple counters, they're tools for smarter riding. Use them to plan, track, and remember your journeys. They make maintenance and touring easier. Don't let them go to waste. Unlock their full potential. Your trip meters are your secret weapon. Let's talk fuel anxiety, the flashing petrol pump in the middle of nowhere. Many bikes have a hidden gem, the automatic reserve trip meter. When your fuel drops low, the bike starts a new trip counter, F trip or reserve trip, tracking your distance on reserve. No more guessing how far you can go. You get a live countdown. If you know your reserve range, you'll know exactly when to worry. It's a simple feature that brings peace of mind. Not all bikes have it, but many do. Check your manual, or test it near a petrol station. Don't be confused when the display changes. Embrace it. It's one of the most helpful features for any rider. Knowledge is power, and it keeps you from running out of fuel. Fuel is expensive, and we all want to be greener. Your bike can help. Many dashboards have fuel economy displays. Average fuel consumption shows your efficiency over time. Reset it with each tank to spot patterns. Instantaneous consumption shows your real-time fuel use. Great for adjusting your riding style. Some bikes even have an eco light, rewarding smooth, efficient riding. Chasing the eco light can make you a smoother, safer rider. It's a training tool disguised as an economy feature. Use these displays to save money and ride smarter. Your bike's brain is always tracking your habits. Pay attention and you'll become a more efficient rider. Eco features aren't just for cars, they're for you too. Now, let's dive into one of the best-kept secrets of modern motorcycles: diagnostic mode. This hidden feature is like having a direct line to your bike's brain, letting you peek behind the scenes at what's really going on. Many motorcycles come equipped with a secret menu that allows you to check sensor readings, view fault codes, and monitor the health of your bike, all without any expensive diagnostic tools or a trip to the dealership. To access this mode, you'll usually need to perform a specific sequence, often a combination of button presses while turning the ignition key. The exact method varies by make and model, so it's a good idea to check your owner's manual or search online forums where fellow riders share these tricks. Once you're in, a whole new world opens up. You can see live data like engine temperature, throttle position, battery voltage, and a list of any stored fault codes. This information is invaluable for diagnosing issues before they become serious problems. If your check engine light is on, diagnostic mode will reveal exactly which system is causing the alert, saving you hours of guesswork and unnecessary part swapping. Each fault code corresponds to a specific issue, and your service manual will have a detailed list explaining what each code means and how to address it. This step is crucial for accurate troubleshooting. While most diagnostic modes are read only, some bikes let you clear fault codes directly from the menu. Use this feature with caution. Clearing codes without fixing the underlying problem can mask serious issues. Think of diagnostic mode as a tool for gathering information, not a magic fix. Take your time to review the data, jot down any codes, and don't rush to clear them unless you're sure the problem is resolved. Always write down any codes you find, and if you're unsure about what they mean or how to fix them, don't hesitate to consult a professional mechanic. Sharing this information can help your mechanic diagnose and repair your bike more efficiently. For curious riders, diagnostic mode is a powerful tool that deepens your understanding of your machine and empowers you to take better care of it. By learning how to use diagnostic mode, you'll be able to communicate more effectively with your mechanic and make informed decisions about maintenance and repairs. Remember, don't just clear codes to make the warning lights disappear. Always address the root cause to keep your bike running smoothly and safely. Diagnostic mode truly is your window into your bike's inner workings, giving you the knowledge and confidence to ride smarter and safer. We've uncovered a world of info hiding on your dashboard. From warning lights to trip meters and diagnostics, your bike is always talking. Understanding it makes you a better, safer rider. The days of guesswork are fading. Now you have clear data at your fingertips. Take time to read your manual and explore your dash. Soon, dashboards may move into your helmet. Heads-up displays are coming. Imagine speed, navigation, and alerts projected right onto your visor. The future is smart, connected, and even more rider-friendly. Keep exploring, stay curious, and enjoy the ride. The journey of discovery never ends.